Munene wa Kisomo kaunti ya Kitui Khalif Isaac ni watu na mutii serikali kwa kulea kuikithia kana maskulu mena liu wa kuyana iweta kana kiini chothothe vanini na manini ya amanyiwa alame uvika maskulu aini na nandiki mauvo visine kwake Khalif ni wasia kana kukosakana kwa liu maskulu ni kutumite utalo munene wa amanyiwa malea kulivoti maskulu ni kana kulea Kisomo uvyo mwandiki utoa mauvo kuma Kitui Onesmus Chalo na ilivoti.
Director Kisomo kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Khalif Isaac nwenda serikali sionthe iwela ya kaunti komando songe ondwa amanywa meukwata liu maskulu ni valo kweta kana maskulu maingi maina liu na mele ya amanywa ndene sonengwe oitom.
Administrators, politicians, opinion leaders, ward administrators must support us. They must provide nutrition to PP1 and PP2 school classes so that learners can come back to school and be retained in that school. Because retention is a big challenge in Kitui. A hungry child cannot stay in class. So a meal must be provided. We want them to be part of the solution and support us establish the schools.
Aina nandiki mama visine wake Isaac nwaweta kana amanywa aingi mayuthika maskulu na ndo vailite kindu kilo aweta kiete twene kukosekana kwa liu maskulu ni na kutuma Kisomo cha amanywa kiende na kusioka na itina.
Also request other stakeholders like the sponsors, sub-chiefs, county government, ward administrators to join the campaign to boost enrollment in school. They must support that because PP1 and PP2 will be speaking to the future of schooling in Kitui. So many schools are agitating for junior secondary registration, but they don't have enrollment. I have schools with 45, 75 children in class, yet they want JS. So no problem, registration is still at the county level. County Education Board is going to do registration, but please bring learners to school.
Ingene wenda adimo na mwevi ndani kwena maumu malu maskulu ne kumanza undo maskulu maume ukwata liu bewa serikali kulikilila vatanius iweta kichema kwekika amanywa ainge wenda makalea kweni sendoto siya Kisomo.
So we'll encourage also heads of institutions of all primary schools and junior schools must provide lunch program. There must be at least a meal in schools. We have talked to heads and together with the board of management and the parents, they will do something.
Dilivote Blingwa Muvomo Tongo TV, Neto Onesmus Chalo.